Well, many aspects of the economy have already been allowed to reopen, but theme parks remain closed. They say they're hurting badly.
As KCAL9's Stacey Butler reports tonight, the parks are now asking California state leaders to approve a plan for them to get back to business.
We're all struggling, yes. It's the worst time we had since we started the business.
After 56 years at the same location across the street from Disneyland, the owner of Mari's Italian restaurant says with the theme park shuttered, business is down 90%. He doesn't know how much longer his restaurant can survive.
Disneyland is the life breath of Anaheim. So without Disneyland, a lot of people are hurting. They're struggling, and most of them are not coming back.
On exactly 6 months to the day that Disneyland closed due to COVID, Isaac Alexander is joining a clarion call from the city of Anaheim and the trade organization representing California theme parks, asking Governor Newsom to open them again.
What we need is guidance and an economic recovery roadmap so we know that we won't go from coronavirus to a second Great Recession.
Anaheim City spokesman Mike Lister says every day he gets emails and calls from businesses going under. He says it doesn't have to be that way. Across the globe, theme parks that have opened have not seen cases of COVID. He wants the governor to set guidelines that theme parks in California can follow so they can safely, responsibly reopen.
Beaches are open, museums are open, zoos are open, and most of SeaWorld, for example, in San Diego is open. And there does not seem to be a lot of consistency there.
In a statement today, the executive director of the California Theme Park Trade Organization said over those 6 months, parks crafted detailed plans to reopen. They include capacity reductions, face covering requirements, robust health and safety protocols for both guests and employees, and significant modifications to support physical distancing. However, in order to reopen, parks require guidance from the state, and that guidance has not been forthcoming. While he waits, this restaurant owner is doing the only thing he says he can do: pray.
That's why we're sharing the gospel, so we can tell people there is hope. Look up.
The governor has said California theme parks are making progress, but he hasn't set any guidelines that they need to follow in order to reopen. In Anaheim, Stacey Butler, KCAL9 News.